This tutorial will guide you through the steps to review flex plans once they are completed by instructors. Flex plans apply for students who have the flexible attendance and deadlines accommodation. First, we'll review the ODS Flex Plan rubric. The flex attendance accommodation is designed to provide a penalty exemption when a student's disability results in an absence. These guidelines were developed based on course length and schedule type for courses that have required in-person meetings. Generally, students should not miss more than 15 to 20% of class meetings. This rubric does not preclude the potential need for additional flexibility, which should be addressed on a case-by-case basis with your accommodations specialist. Keep in mind, this rubric is a guideline. Instructors who do not believe the rubric reflects what is reasonable for their course are advised to consult with ODS. Table columns are sorted by course length, which reflects the various academic terms, and by schedule type, which differentiates between didactic and interactive formats. The final column indicates the recommended number of absences based on attending 80% of class meetings for didactic courses and 85% of class meetings for interactive courses. For example, the fall semester is a 15-week term. If your class meets twice per week and is coded as a lecture course, it is recommended that you miss no more than 6 class meetings. If your class meets once per week and is coded as a laboratory course, it is recommended that you miss no more than 3 class meetings. If your instructor allows for additional flexibility beyond what is represented in the table, ODS considers that to meet the accommodation. Flex attendance likely will not apply to classes where no meeting pattern is scheduled, such as independent study, research, or thesis or dissertation. Students enrolled in classes that satisfy field or clinical hours, internship or practicum credit, or student teaching will need to request a clinical accommodation letter from their accommodations specialist. Now that we've reviewed the Flex Plan rubric, access the ODS website by typing ods.ua.edu into your browser. Then select the ODS Online Portal tab. Select Enter the ODS Online Portal. Select Sign In. You will be prompted to enter your MyBama username and password. Then select Log In. From the overview page, you'll notice accommodation letters have been sent for 3 classes. To view any flex plans that are available, select Flex Plan from the menu on the left. You'll notice there is one flex plan ready for review. Scroll down for a more detailed view, which is represented on the next slide. For this example, a flex plan is ready to be reviewed for ODS 101. Select View on the far left. The course information is visible on the left. The flex plan begins on the right. In this example, the instructor indicated that the flex plan rubric is reasonable for their course and they can allow up to 4 absences. If an absence results in missed participation points, there will be no grade penalty. Next, we'll review opportunities to make up missed quizzes or tests. This instructor has advised you to make arrangements to make up a missed quiz or test within 1 week. Follow up with the instructor about a makeup date, time, and location. If an assignment is missed, this instructor has indicated the assignment can be submitted within 48 hours of the due date. If a deadline extension is needed, notify the instructor via email and submit the assignment within 48 hours of the due date. In this example, the course does not involve group work or in-class presentations. Once you have reviewed the flex plan, select I agree to the statement listed. Then select Accept FlexPlan. If you have concerns and would like to talk with your accommodations specialist, select Update and request review. This is an example of the confirmation email you'll receive when a Flex plan has been reviewed. Remember that Flex plans can vary from class to class. If you have any questions about flexible attendance or the Flex plan, please reach out to your accommodations specialist. You may also visit our website where you can interact with our chatbot, or you may contact us via phone at 205-348-4285, via email at ods@ua.edu, or in person at Hauser Hall 1000.